Western Cape budget crisis. Alan Winde threatens legal action against national government. The ongoing budgetary dispute between the Western Cape government and South Africa's national government has reached a critical point. Premier Alan Winde has signaled his readiness to take the matter to court, citing unfair budget allocations that he claims severely disadvantage the Western Cape. This confrontation, if unresolved, could escalate into an intergovernmental legal dispute, highlighting growing tensions over resource distribution within the country. The core of the dispute at the heart of the issue is the perceived disparity in budget allocations. Despite being the third most populous province, the Western Cape ranks fifth in terms of budgetary allocation. Premier Winde has raised concerns that the national government's distribution of funds does not reflect the province's population size or its growing needs. Over the next 3 years, the Western Cape's budget is set to face a significant cut of R7 billion, putting immense pressure on essential services such as health and education. Budget breakdown and impact. The budgetary allocation for the Western Cape is projected as follows. 2024-25, R84 billion. 2025-26, R84.38 billion. 2026-27, R86.9 billion. Despite these figures, Winde argues that the province should receive more funding, especially considering its substantial population and service delivery requirements. The budget for the 2023-24 financial year has already been impacted by AR 1.1 billion reduction due to the public sector wage bill, further exacerbating the province's financial strain. Additionally, the recent floods in 2023, which caused widespread damage, have left the province with AR 1.3 billion deficit. Winde pointed out that the national government has failed to provide any financial assistance to address this crisis. Health sector under threat. The Western Cape's health sector is particularly vulnerable to the budget cuts. Former Health Minister Professor Noma French Mbambo highlighted the significant reduction in the health budget for the 2023-24 financial year, noting that the National Equitable Share Formula had decreased the percentage allocated to the province, despite its growing population and burden of disease. The impact of this shortfall will be felt across various health services. Metro Health Services, R281 million decrease rural health services, R187 million decrease Tygerberg Hospital, R109 million decrease Groote Schuur and Red Cross War Memorial Children's Hospitals, R132 million combined decrease. These cuts threaten to undermine the province's ability to provide quality healthcare to its residents, particularly in underserved areas. The path forward. Premier Winde's threat of legal action underscores the urgency of the situation. With the national government yet to respond to the letters and requests from the Western Cape, the prospect of a court battle looms large. The outcome of this dispute could have far-reaching implications for the distribution of resources across South Africa and the relationship between provincial and national governments. As the Western Cape braces for the financial challenges ahead, the need for a fair and equitable resolution becomes increasingly pressing. Whether through negotiation or legal means, the stakes are high for both the province and the country as a whole.